Welcome traders to the confirmed price action confirmation style. Well, in this entry style, we will additionally look if the lower time frames will break structure and collect liquidity. That's the only difference, because also in the risk entries, we wanted to see that price is generating liquidity so that we will really take this. Otherwise, I'm also there not interested in taking it. But here on the confirmed price action confirmation, the thing is that we're just waiting lower time frame to give us just additional confirmation. Now you need to figure it out for yourself which one you're going to use. You can use both ones, you can just use only one type of it. It's not a problem. Okay, so let me introduce you the first one, which is the most basic one. Price is moving, it's tapping into our supply zone. Price is collecting so it's generating liquidity, as you can see. So we got here equal highs, and what the price then does is it just moving up higher. Now at this point we don't know for sure if price will really go to the downside. This is what we could have taken in this case, the risk entry. On the confirmed style, we'll wait for price to drop to the downside to break this structure. So we got here a clean BOS, and now we know, okay, good, this one is confirmed. And what the price also generated here with this move up here, it created a new supply zone, and we still got their positions left, which we would like to close. Okay, so there's small money traders, so they're going to push the price up higher. In this case, you also had liquidity here to the downside, so the ID's price will then tap more than likely into the zone, and this is where you get involved into the trade. So your sell limit should be definitely exactly there. Okay, so you're putting it there, so you should use here definitely sell limit orders. Okay, this is how you can then ensure that you take it. In most cases, this one will completely refine your entry style, and this is why I also like this one very good, because yeah, it's just very tight stop loss most of the times. With the risk type of entry, you have there sometimes problem with that. Okay, then the second option. Second option is price will just push right over there and gave us here immediately a break of structure. What then the market will do is it will move up higher and again respect this supply zone here, then pushing up higher and respecting this supply zone here, breaking structure, of course, breaking structure here as well, and that's it. So in this case, how are you going to enter this is you're just entering after the price is breaking the structure. In this case, from my point of view, this entry style is the most risk one, because you're just using the knowledge of break of structure and you're just jumping in, and you know that you have liquidity above these highs. So that's kind of the thing, because you know here is liquidity, but you know that you're already at the top, right? Because if they would like to bring the price to the downside, they will bring it. Now, if they're going to push it one more time here and then drop, you will just need to take here sometimes several tries. But it's a good option, okay? Because sometimes market will not give you the possibility to entry. What I like to do in a scenario like this is I will not take this one, but I will take this here. Okay, I like to take then this one. So you see here also this kind of the phenomenon of the supply chain. So price is just creating step by step supply zones, and that gives us the idea that the price don't want to go higher than these areas at the end. Okay, so price don't want to go higher than these. If it is just mitigating from supply zone to supply zone, then the idea is that we should not pass these highs anymore. If we will pass these, then we're going to use these whole areas as liquidity to buy the market right through them. Okay, so this is why this entry style is also good. So it's very important for you to just keep the process here in your mind, because you will see sometimes that you will not catch the price immediately, but keep in mind that at that time also the smart money concept traders, they don't want to get here for no reason in negative positions, because they take here their shorts again, right? They're also taking their shorts, so they're closing their longs and they're taking their shorts. So we would like to just jump into it, right? So we just want to try the next one. And if, for example, if you didn't take this supply zone, you take this one, and then you can even scale in into this scenario. Okay, good. So that was the one with the supply chain entry style kind of thing. Let's go to the next one, which is something which we don't like. So what you will see here is something like this. So price is breaking it, so it's just moving above. But then what you will realize is that the price will break structure. It will return all the way back, will break structure. And the idea is, when you see something like that, is that can break his multiply structure, is that you can't get involved into a supply zone. Like this one, you could have even trying to take this one. More than likely, this one will not work that good. The best one will be then these on the middles. Why? Because the whole manipulation started from here. So they're already closing their positions if they will just tap in there. So they, more than likely, they don't like to put the price that much to the upside anymore, because they have their already short positions, right? And they're just scaling in their short positions right now. So they're adding here shorts, they're adding here shorts, and here they would like to add a ton of shorts. Here they're even taking out liquidity as well. Okay. So this is the liquidity grab entry. Also pretty strong and effective trade setup. So you should just wait for that break of structure to confirm it for you. Oh, okay, it was just a liquidity grab at this point, and I will just wait to get involved here. That's it. That's the whole entry style for this one. Okay, then let's continue. This is one of my favorites. Works pretty good as well. So you will see something like that. Price will tap in strongly in this area, and then it will create this kind of thing, and it breaks structure. Super important is that you will see the break of structure. That's what we want to see. If this will not occur, if price will reject it here, it's invalid. Now we got valid break of structure. What we can spot here is liquidity, and what we can spot is here supply zone. So with the tap into the supply zone, we will clear out the liquidity from here. This whole liquidity we will get, and where we can mitigate our last potential up move, so this one, and then we will see this. That's really one of the best entries that you can take, but make sure that you got the break of structure. It's pretty good, works pretty good at the end. Okay, then the next one, we already know it. What do you think it is? It is actually the Wyckoff. So you wait here for price to tap into it, like this. DUT, one less push off, the UTAD, price dropping, break structure. You get supply zone, you get involved in the supply zone and drop. That's it. That's the last one. Very simple. We've already did it. And now guys, go to the charts, adapt it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.